Welcome to the Grand Wailea. In this video, we're giving you a full resort tour. Restaurants, rooms, gardens, pools, and more. So you can decide if it really lives up to the hype. And later on, we'll show you what makes this resort truly famous, which is the pool complex, waterfalls, slide, a grotto bar, and more. And we'll be letting you know what we loved about the resort and also what we didn't. We have an ocean view room, which has a beautiful view out of our lanai, but also out of our front door. We have beautiful water feature here, which is also incredible.
So Kelly normally does our room tours, but we're gonna switch things up this time, and Kevin's doing it. So we're staying in the chapel wing. Little mini bar here with some coffee setups, fridge underneath, 2 reusable water bottles. Coming into the bedroom area, this area is really big, and I love that a lot. We booked this stay with points, and we were gonna have a king room, but it wasn't gonna be ocean view, so at the last minute we decided to change to a queen room so we could still see the ocean. They upgraded us because of Hilton Gold status. Kelly just told me that. Nice big TV. It's all very clean and nice. A little dated, but still really nice. I like the little accents too. It's just a really, really nice spot. The lanai here is amazing. Definitely think we're gonna be drinking some coffee there in the morning. Let's go check out the bathroom with a tub and a shower. I'm sure Kelly's gonna be getting in that tub. It's a great room. I'm really excited. I wish we were staying here longer than 2 nights.
First place you'll come to when you check into the Grand Wailea is this entrance. Now, I definitely wouldn't call this a lobby because I feel like it's much more than that, and it lives up to its grand name. There are beautiful fixtures. There's a huge waterfall in the middle of it. There's a modest check-in area, but really it takes a backseat to the rest of this incredible resort. Behind me is the Napua Terrace, which is a bar that also serves food in this main area. And then from here, you can branch off to see the rest of the resort.
I really, really like the lobby area. The way that they've kept it kind of open is just such a cool vibe. Plants and some water, a ton of different sculptures of Hawaiian heritage. They even put some like traditional Hawaiian canoes into the water and put plants all over them. So it feels like you're walking through a garden instead of walking through the lobby. Here, you're also gonna find the main lobby bar. We actually went there last night and had a drink and some malasadas for dessert. It's a great entrance to the resort. It kind of gives you an idea of how they've really curated the whole Hawaiian experience, and it's very, very spread out. You're also gonna find a restaurant on the far side that's called Nobu. This is more like sushi and Japanese cuisine, which is only open for dinner. Continue walking along the lobby, you'll come to a few different shops. These are your classic resort shops. You can get a ton of different souvenirs. If you forgot any clothes or anything like that, that's where you're gonna find all that stuff. They also have a little market there that you can get some grab and go food, coffees, gelatos, all that good stuff.
Off the lobby, you can find the Grand Wailea shops, which of course start with art galleries and jewelry shops. There's a grab and go spot where you can get, I wouldn't say groceries, but snacks. Lolu. I'm not sure. But it's got a great view, a little terrace that you can eat out on if you want. And if you don't want to get the expensive breakfast buffet, which I think is $60 a person, you can come here. As far as activities, one of the things we've come across, the cave, which is only open on the weekends. It's like an arcade kind of thing. This is an option if you're here on the weekend. One thing I've enjoyed about this resort so far is that it's very tranquil. There's lots of gardens and greenery. It's just very nice. You can kind of just have a stroll and relax a little bit.
That's another great thing about this resort. Everything is very spread out. So I imagine even if it's busy, you can still find a little secluded area to yourself.
We've come to our first dining option. This is the Huma Huma Nuku Nuku Apua restaurant.
Official state fish of Hawaii.
Huma Huma Nuku Nuku Apua.
The state fish of Hawaii.
Huma huma nuka nuka apua.
They've got a lagoon out here, which is really nice. This kind of reminds me of some of the restaurants in the Maldives and French Polynesia being over the water. If you opt for the buffet breakfast, they have it at this restaurant. One of the best parts of this resort is Wailea Beach, which is right behind me. Golden sand, gorgeous, calm water, although it got a little windy in the afternoon at night, so definitely earlier in the day is the best time to go. This beach is shared with a couple other resorts, but it's an awesome resort beach for sure.
So right over here on the beach is Aqualani Beach and Ocean Recreation Stand. This is a private company that like services all of the different resorts that are on this little strip here. If you're interested in water activities while you're here, these are the guys to go see. They have another recreation deck that is inside the pool for some of the activities that is unique to the Grand Wailea Resort.
Fun fact, the Four Seasons is right next door, which is where they filmed the first season of White Lotus. case you want to go check that out. Promise you pools, and we're going to deliver pools, but this one is not the cool one. So we're just going to give it to you now in a little bite. You'll have to stay tuned for the good pools. First up, we come to our adults only pool, which is called the Hibiscus Serenity Pool. It's this big pool area. There are 2 jacuzzis, but this is only one of the resort's 9 pools, supposedly.
Right next to the adult pool is the Olivine restaurant. That's going to be the resort's like upscale Italian cuisine. They are open for lunch and dinner, and they also do all of the food for the adult pool if you want to get anything poolside.
One of the most striking features of the grounds of the Grand Wailea is the chapel here, right in the middle of the entire resort, in the middle of its own lagoon with a fantastic ocean view. It would be a beautiful, beautiful place to get married, although I'm sure very expensive.
The spa here has been completely revitalized recently, and it is huge and gorgeous. Unfortunately, I'm not getting any treatments here this time, which I sorely regret. But some of the highlights here are the hydrotherapy room that you can book, and also they do treatments and rituals based off of the Hawaiian lunar calendar.
And they also had a Theragun rental station, which was crazy. You could take out your own Theraguns and use them if you have sore muscles. There's also a kids club somewhere on the property. I'm sure it's a really great kids club because everything at this resort has been very impressive so far.
The main pool, which is actually 8 different pools, all connected by slides and a lazy river. It is a fantastic pool complex. So first we come to sandy area. So they've made like a little mock beach here. It's very shallow, so you can bring your little kids in here. And then we've got lots of bridges and waterfalls, as you can see over there. And then across the way, there's a Tarzan swing, which you go into an 8-foot pool there. And then a lazy river connects them all.
So they have a lava tube slide here. You're not allowed to take any GoPros or anything down it, so we couldn't film inside, but it's really fun, really fast, a lot of spins, really, really cool. So they have 2 big water slides, and then they have a bunch of little smaller water slides all around.
As far as resort pools go, this is definitely in our top 3, I'd say.
Honestly, you can just wander around all of these pools for hours because the way that it's all laid out, it's kind of hard to know where you are. You can actually get lost. We're making our way to the grotto bar now. Grotto is awesome. We're continuing the adventure, going the wrong way on the lazy river. After exploring all the different levels of this pool, we got a little hungry. Came back to our lounge chairs and ordered some food.
There's a wee QR code here that we use to order a lobster club sandwich to our pool chairs. The pool restaurant is called Surf House. You can actually go sit at a table and order from a server. You're also by the pool, but you're sitting at a table. No pool is complete without a couple of jacuzzis. There's one up on the very top and one in the same cave area as the grotto bar. And we are going to check out the one at the grotto bar.
So for dinner tonight, we are coming to the Humu Humu Nuku Nuku Apua'a restaurant. I definitely recommend you make reservations if you want to come here. We did not because the resort actually isn't very busy right now. Just to clarify, we're coming in the first week of September. This is a great time to visit because the resort is actually pretty empty. Bar at this restaurant is really cool. It actually has a aquarium built into the bar. So there's little fish that are swimming around everywhere when you're having your drink. Today is actually Kelly and my anniversary from when we first started dating 12 years ago. So we are going a little crazy on the dinner tonight and having a big anniversary dinner. They do a tasting menu here, which is 4 courses. Kelly decided to get that with a wine pairing. I am going for a ceviche and a filet. We ordered a lot of food and a lot of wine, and we're dining right on the edge of the water too, which is pretty cool.
First course of my tasting menu is a lobster bisque with a lobster sausage, and I think there's caviar on it. Second course in the tasting menu is a seared scallop. The regular menu, there's 2 scallops, but the tasting menu is a little bit less.
All right, our next course has come. This is our entrees. I went for the filet mignon. Kelly got a Wagyu steak. I'm drinking a red blend, a Kokomo red blend with this one. So far, the food, it's been absolutely amazing. And the drinks are great too, and we're tired.
This was included with my tasting menu, but it's our anniversary and they put happy anniversary there. My last pairing is a port, which I normally don't drink.
Dinner last night was fantastic. Unfortunately, today we have to check out, but we wanted to tell you what we liked about this resort and what we didn't really like about this resort.
I would totally stay here again.
Absolutely. Honestly, it's kind of hard to find things that we didn't like.
It's a really nice resort, and I think grand definitely describes it.
The grounds are incredible, the beach is incredible, pool was so much fun. My only complaint about the pool is they close the slides at 5 p.m. and right now it gets dark about 7. So a lot of that fun stuff that you would want to do a little later in the evening is not available. The pools are still open till 10, so you can still go into some of the jacuzzis and go for a little night swim. But I thought that was a little early to close those slides at 5 p.m.
The room was lacking in plugs for sure, which is kind of important for us as content creators. We have a lot of stuff to charge. I would say the prices were kind of high.
But that's gonna be expected when you stay at a nice resort like this. You know, if you want to get a sandwich at the pool, it's gonna be $30+.
Drinks were $25 to $30 each, so expect to pay a lot of money. This is a premium resort and you're gonna be paying premium prices.
If you want to come to the resort when it's not as busy, I recommend the first week of September.
But we had a great time. I definitely would visit the Grand Wailea again. Yeah, we loved it. 2 thumbs up.
We did make a couple other videos in Maui and across Hawaii with different resort tours, so we're gonna link all of those in the description. If you're planning trips to other islands, be sure to check those out. Actually, we'll just put our whole Hawaii playlist. And thanks so much for watching.
This is Kelly and Kevin from The Awkward Tourists. Peace out.